Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find Samsung folder and click on it. Now select voice recorder app and choose while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. Now click on this red button to start recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this yellow icon over here whenever you wish to, and if you wish to end it and save it, you can pause it first and click on the square button or tap on the square button right away. Now name your recording however you wish to and just save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can play it by tapping on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on those three dots over here next to the loop, select edit, tap on this bin icon over here and confirm your choice by tapping on move to recycle bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!